Loaded twice baked sweet potato. Hey look, if sweet potato's not your thing, I also did a video similar, loaded twice baked regular potato. I'll put the iCard in there for you. Let's get into our ingredients right now. Got a cheddar jack mix, bacon, sauteed onions which were sauteed in the bacon fat, green onions which are raw for garnish, cream cheese, and a little bit of garlic powder, and our sweet potato. So I got some olive oil here. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour this on. We're gonna get it rubbed all over, and then I'm gonna hit it with some salt and pepper on all sides. It's just gonna add another depth of flavor to our sweet potato. Alright, so our potato is seasoned, it's all lubed up. We're gonna put it for our first bake in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes until it's fork tender. We're gonna cut our potato in half. And now I'm gonna take the potato, I'm gonna slowly cut the inside. I'm gonna make sure I leave enough meat on the edges so it holds its shape, but we wanna cut some of this inside out, and we're gonna place the inside into a bowl and mix our ingredients together. So just like this. So what you should be left with is a nice little boat like this, and then we're gonna stuff this back with our ingredients. So our contents are in the bowl. We're gonna add our onions in there. We're gonna add some cheese, bacon, garlic powder, cream cheese, a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. We give it a little mix. Then you're gonna take and you're gonna put the ingredients back inside the potato, just like this. It's a nice little even layer, like that. We're gonna put some more bacon on top, and then we're also gonna put more cheese. Back into the oven, we're basically just gonna melt all the cheese. Cheese is fully melted, we're just gonna hit this with some green onion, and that's it. And that spud right there, sexy.